20-25 आदमी है अंदर।
कौन सा रूम में?
वो फिल्टर प्रेस में।
We are right now at the location, this Sigachi company where the blast has taken place. We are right now exclusively at the spot inside this particular premises where you can actually see the intensity of this particular blast that has taken place at around 9:20 a.m. 9:20 a.m. is the time where a blast had taken place, which is said to be due to some air dryer or air dryer pressure, because the authorities are unable to identify exact reason, because the in charge of this particular factory was also among them who had lost their life. So the toll here has reached to 12, and as you can see in the visual, the intensity of this particular blast has led to complete collapse of a 4-story building is what is being said. As you can see, the devastation that has caused by this particular blast, where 90 people were there inside when this incident took place at this particular spot, among which several of them had been rescued. 22 are said to be injured and 12 have been declared dead by the officials, and rescue operations are still ongoing to rescue the others who are said to be trapped. Now, since morning 9, this particular smoke or fire is being tried to doze off here at this particular place. You can see the smoke that is being, the smoke here at this particular spot can be seen as to the intensity of the fire that has taken place. The concrete structure, the whole concrete structure has collapsed. This was a very severe and intense blast that has taken place at this particular spot, where as you can see that there is also fire which is still ongoing in this particular premises. As I'll ask my camera person to show you, as the fire that is still ongoing in this particular compartment in the factory premises, and there are several other materials here. It is said that the chemicals were being processed here. This is said to be Sigachi Industrial Limited, where this particular blast has taken place. All debris here, you can see the systems, the computers and the other equipments, the chemical boxes, everything lying on ground at this particular place, and several heavy machinery also had collapsed at this place. Now several people who were trapped inside are being slowly rescued by the officials, the fire, the NDRF, SDRF, Hydra, and the police officials are continuously working on removing the persons who are trapped. The chemical bottles, the chemical, the equipments that are usually used can be seen in this particular area where I am right now standing. The whole building here has completely collapsed, and several of them are still trapped inside is what is being said.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.